Hey everybody, Mark, Evernden, Evergroup, Century 21, Bamber. Here we are downtown at the Concord. True luxury in its own definition. It has everything you're looking for. The unit here is 511 738 First Avenue, Southwest Calgary, Alberta. Unbelievable location, and truly you need to see this property. It even comes with a luxurious social room, a communal kitchen with an attached dining room, a really well-equipped gym. You have your own private car wash, your own private skating rink, along with a Zamboni, your own undercarriage wash bay, which is fantastic. It cleans your vehicle up so it keeps the parkade for everybody exceptionally clean, really well maintained. But the nice thing about this unit, it has its own double car garage. And inside the double car garage, you have your own separate storage room as well. How's this? Your own private elevator directly to your room. There's also a door for your guests and family that want to visit, of course, but there is a private elevator taking you right to your room, as well as directly down to your parkade. Unbelievable unit, just under 1,900 square feet of luxury living quarters in this beautiful Concord building, offering 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. And what a view. You're right on the river, the Peace Bridge, mountains, tons of light, floor to ceiling glass. It truly is finished to the nines. You have to see this. Beautiful open layout, private dining right on the river and the Peace Bridge, and this amazing kitchen. Completed a full Millet package, fridge, cooktop, steamer, oven, fridge, freezer. It's really well designed, but the views and the amount of light here are just unbelievable. You've got this beautiful private balcony overlooking the river, west facing, Peace Bridge, pathways, beautifully designed, fully covered. The other nice element is you have another private balcony that all 3 bedrooms have full access to. Your sleeping quarters in this unit are laid out fantastic. They're at the back of the unit. Your primary and both your other bedrooms have full access to the private balcony, which is really nice. You got a gorgeous walk-in closet, beautiful ensuite, and then the other 2 bedrooms have a Jack and Jill shared washroom. Thanks for joining us today on this amazing tour of 511 738 First Avenue Southwest. We're right on the Peace Bridge, walking distance to Princess Island Park, River Cafe, and everything you are truly looking for. And true luxury living at its finest. Call me directly at 403-829-3776 for your own private showing.